Previously, we had introduced different materials from the English reading kit to help your child to become a confident reader. So what is the next step? The next logical step is to learn to spell. Spelling builds a strong foundation to writing, and phonics makes it fun and easy. At this stage, the child should be comfortable to write the smaller case alphabets on a 3-line notebook. So let's spell away. Firstly, we emphasize on the vowels again. Introduce the vowels again to your child and ask them to say their sounds. Tell them most of the words have a vowel in them. How exciting is that? Stage 1. At this stage, we help your child to spell simple 3-letter words with the same vowel at first, moving on to mixed vowels and some sight words. We can then dictate a simple sentence for the child to write. Let's see a demo here.
Hello there. Here's a short demo on how to introduce spelling to your child. If your child knows his or her phonics sounds and can read simple sentences, the next logical step is to learn to spell. Phonics makes spelling fun and easy. Your child should know how to write the smaller case alphabets on a notebook. To begin with, we introduce the 5 vowels. Your child must know these vowels and the sounds they make. To practice spelling, we begin with simple 3-letter words of a vowel. Here I have words of vowel A. The parent can dictate cat. The child will use the phonics sounds to spell the word k, a, t, cat. The child can practice the spelling of the words of the same vowel for a few days before you can try words of other vowels. We then make it a bit more challenging, where we continue to practice 3-letter words but with mixed vowels, to introduce how real sentences are written with mixed vowels. We then move on to practice the spelling of bigger 4-letter words which can be spelled using phonics sounds, such as lamp, bend, and so on. We also have to learn the spellings of sight words. For sight words, we just have to by heart the spelling, such as and, A-N-D, the, T-H-E. After this level, your child is ready to write a simple sentence. The parent can dictate, Tom is a cat. The child can use the phonics sound and what he has practiced so far to write this simple sentence. This is the first stage of spelling, and after this, it gets much easier. The English reading kit has got all the available list of words that you can use for practicing, such as 4-letter words and 3-letter words, words of other phonics sounds, also words using all kinds of blends, and words from word families. By this stage, your child is ready to pen down his thoughts. So give him a simple picture and allow him to write his own words and sentences to help him to get more confident with his writing.
Stage 2. As we saw in the demo, after the basic stage of 3-letter words, we move on to spell words with other phonics sounds like oo, o, e, and so on. We also learn to spell words with beginning blends and introduce more sight words. Then the parent can test all this by dictating a simple sentence like, the book is good. Stage 3. Here we begin to spell words with endings like ing, s, and so on. Also spelling words from word families such as ache, aisle, where we use the long sound of the vowel and the E at the end is silent. We also introduce the usage of capital letters at the beginning of sentences and also for names. Give a simple picture to the child and ask your child to describe the picture in a couple of sentences, making up his own words and spelling out on his own. At stage 4, your child is ready to learn to spell using the names of the letters instead of the sounds. This is in preparation for primary school. Spell numbers 1 to 20, O-N-E 1, T-W-O 2. Spell months of the year, spelling days of the week, and also bigger words like because, every, should, could. Give a picture to your child and ask him or her to write 5 sentences on his or her own. Oh well, we have come to the end of our video series. By now, your child will be pretty confident in reading and writing simple sentences, ready for primary school. Hope the English reading kit and this video series was useful to you and your child. Best wishes from all of us here at Angelina's Learning Kits, and thank you so much for watching our video series. Goodbye.